Next, let's talk about the tools that bartenders use. First, we have the ice scoop. Always use an ice scoop when filling glasses with ice. Never put a glass directly in the ice to chill it or to fill it because you could chip the glass, risking serving a beverage with glass in it, putting customers in danger. And if the glass breaks in the ice, then you would have to stop service to melt the ice and clean out the bin. One more thing to note is that if you use a larger ice scoop, you can fill larger or more glasses at one time, which speeds up service. The jigger. Jiggers can come in all sizes. You may be required to use one to measure your alcohol portions, which does slow down service. If you learn to pour an accurate shot using our techniques, then you may not need to use a jigger, except to test your pouring accuracy, which is recommended at least once a week or at the beginning of each shift. Pour spouts. Pour spouts should be used to facilitate the pouring of the alcohol. Make sure to rinse them each time you change your pour spouts. You may even soak them on a regular basis. The wine key. This type of wine key or corkscrew is used to open bottles of wine. It can be kept in your pocket for easy access. The winged corkscrew. This corkscrew is bulkier, but it's easier to use when opening bottles of wine. The bar spoon. The long-handled bar spoon is used mostly to layer liquors by pouring the liquid over the back of the spoon and to stir martinis. The bottle opener. You may use any type of bottle opener, but this flat version is a bartender's favorite because it can fit in your pocket and it's really easy to use. The muddler. You'll want to use a muddler to press some fruits and herbs to release the flavor. Sometimes squeezing can be just as effective, like with a lime wedge, but there are times when squeezing just won't work, like when you use a sprig of mint. Just make sure not to over muddle and not to press too hard, or you might release, like in the rinds or the stem of the mints, you'll release some kind of bitter flavors. The cocktail shaker. The cocktail shaker is used mostly to chill shots and make martinis, but another good use is to mix a cocktail that has sweet and sour or cream, which shaking will make it nice and frothy.